Hey guys, so we've reached a nice little point in our adventures through the binomial expansion where I thought we should do some questions and test our knowledge. So, pause the video and have a go at these questions coming up. We're doing these before we start to make our expansions a little bit harder, where we don't just have a 1 or a 1x. Okay, so first up, then we're going to practice using the NCR button. So remember that, on my calculator at least, lives on my division button, but to get it up, I have to press shift first and then the division button. So, question 1 then, have a go at working out 4C3. So here we have 3 different ways that this might be written. 4C3, little 7, C little 4, and then finally in bracket form 2. So for the first one, 4 choose 3, hopefully you would get 4. And then for the second one, which is exactly the same thing, 7 choose 4 would be 35, and then for the last one, 11 choose 6 is 462. Okay, cracking. Okay, now we're going to have a look at a high-powered expansion of 1 plus x. So, in an exam situation, when you get this type of question, usually the power is high, but they don't ask you to write out every single term because it would be impractical. Here we have a power of 9, so there is 10 terms in an exam situation, and nobody got time for that. Okay, so here then we're asked to write out the first 5 terms in ascending powers of x of 1 plus x to the power of 9. So in ascending powers of x, that means to start with the smallest power of x. Now that is just the 1 term. There is a 0 power of x there. So our first term is just 1. Then, well here, n is 9. So it's going to be 9 choose 1 x, and then 9 choose 2 x squared, and then 9 choose 3 x cubed, and then 9 choose 4 x to the power of 4. So then we don't want to leave the chooses in choose form, if that's even a thing. So now it's calculator time, work out what the chooses are. So we got 1, 9 choose 1 is just 9, any number choose 1 is that number itself. So we got 1 plus 9x plus 9 choose 2, we should get 36 x squared, and then for 9 choose 3 we should get 84 x cubed, and then for 9 choose 4 we should get 126 x to the power of 4. So there are the first 5 terms in the expansion in ascending powers of x. So again, ascending means the power goes up by 1 from term to term. Okay, last one for this video then. So we want to find the full expansion of 2 lots of 1 plus x to the power of 4. So I personally, wherever I can, when it's a nice small power that we're expanding to, I just like to use Pascal's triangle. I don't like to use a calculator unless I really have to. So here, first we're going to work out 1 plus x to the power of 4, and then multiply all of that by 2. The 2 is not included in the binomial expansion. It's just multiplying a binomial expansion by 2. So, let's bash out a quick Pascal's triangle. So we got 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, and then 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. This guy is our fourth row. These are the coefficients that we need. So, 2 lots then. 2 lots of 1 plus x to the power of 4 is 2 lots of 1 plus 4x plus 6x squared plus 4x cubed plus 1x to the power of 4. So now we simply multiply each of those terms by the 2 on the outside. So we got 2 plus 8x plus 12x squared plus 8x cubed plus 2x to the power of 4. And that is our answer to 2 lots of 1 plus x to the power of 4. Okay guys, that's it for this video. In the next episode, we're going to start to look at trickier expansions of the form 1 plus ax to the power of n. So we're whacking a coefficient on our x term. Hope to see you there guys. Take care.